Hey y'all, it's been a long time, but I'm back, and today we are sewing a quilt for my son's teacher. Let's go. We are making the Pencil Club President quilt by Crimson Tate. I reached out to the shop. They're located in Indiana about helping me with a quilt kit because my son's teacher's favorite color is green. And I don't have a lot of green in my stash. And so I asked, hey, can you help me make a kit for this pattern? And they said yes. So I got all the supplies, including the backing, which is erasers. Perfect for a teacher, right? And so let's start cutting. Sometimes I am super lazy and I don't press my fabric, but I did this time. Here I am cutting out the pieces. I really love this new cutting mat I received from Horn of America. It works great for my cutting table. Y'all, we have all of our pieces cut. These are sashings and borders that need to be pieced and then cut, but I'll do that later. And we are ready to start sewing. I know there's a whole bunch of hacks to not have to mark the line on squares, but I'm old school and like to mark them. I finished the first pencil. Looks very cute, the little eraser. I did one pencil completely so that I could get the gist of how to make it, and now I am starting to chain piece all the other parts for the remaining 7 pencils. Let's do this. We're making progress. 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 8 pencils, so we're halfway. They're looking hella cute. Time to make 4 more. We have 7 of the pencils finished. We are working on the last one, and then we'll see how they all look together. Very excited. We have all 8 pencils. I took my design wall down, so these are just taped on the wall right now. And originally I was going to go like the darker blue ones and like an ombre fade to the lighter green ones, but I think I'm liking the more scattered. I think this needs to be redone. I'm not a huge fan of what's happening there, but yeah, I got 8 pencils. Now I need sashing strips on a few more of them and the rest of the sashing, and we can get this baby done. Okay, y'all, look. Quilt top is done. Now to give it to my quilter, because I do not have time to quilt this. Yay! I received the quilt top back from my quilter at my most recent HMQG meeting, and then I am doing machine binding on it. so it's nice and secure. And here we go. I'm doing one of those things you see all over Quilty Instagram where you unroll the quilt. Honestly felt really goofy doing it, but hey, the quilt is done, which feels great. It was gifted, and there we go. Another teacher quilt accomplished. Let me know if y'all have any questions about the pattern in the comments, and thanks for watching.